Due to the absence of a bridge connecting Nong Trao village with Nong Ding Sning village, located in the Wat Ling Do area of Mau Ed, school children from the village as well as the general public are forced to cross the Ling Do river by wading through it. This has created significant difficulties for both the students and the public. Concerned about the difficulties faced by the public, the FKJ GP Mau Ed Circle, led by President Pa Anthony Umyong, raised the issue with the media and urged the government and relevant authorities to take immediate action to restore the bridge.
Di nagalian jang ikum kaseng isang kya di kata-kata nomor ba ya ganika haganika wa haban kam daki arpau lai pengut ikana school bawan yang di school Nong Trao man kasih ya halau kali nagalian jang ikum kaseng arpau yang isang kya di kata-kata ba ibu kasih kerpar khamat jang kasokar kan kai khamat hagbere begini ciking swaba kanjia kanu
Renowned industry